फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नैनपत एकेडमी 5। तो आज के वीडियो में हम कंपोजिशन ऑफ मैटर जो क्लास 8 का चैप्टर है उसके ऊपर के जो इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ रहेंगे या इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स से जैसे एमसीक्यूज़ बन सकते हैं वो हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स बिगिन। मैटर एग्जिस्ट मेनली इन हाउ मैनी फिजिकल स्टेट्स? 3 solid, liquid, gases. Okay, which of the following is a solid? Stone. Which state of matter has definite shape and definite volume? Solid. Which state of matter has definite volume but no definite shape? Liquid. Which state is of matter has neither definite shape nor definite volume? Gas. The intermolecular force is strongest in solid. Compressibility is maximum in gases. The distance between particles in minimum is minimum in what? So it is solid. Which property is shown by liquids? Fluidity. Solids are generally incompressible. Air is a mixture of gases. Here it is, air is a mixture of gases and water is an example of compound. Oxygen gas represents by, यहाँ पे 3 है और यहाँ पे 2 है. Okay, so answer is O2. Brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. ये जो क्वेश्चन है वो बहुत बार पूछे गए एग्जाम में. हाँ, bronze is mainly, this is also important, made from copper and tin. Smallest particle of an element are atoms or molecules. The constituent particles of a compound are different atoms chemically combined. In a mixture, the substances are physically mixed. Which of the following is an element? Carbon. Milk is an example of mixture. Which properties retain in a mixture? Properties of constitution of substances. Which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? Salt solution. Which of the following is a heterogeneous mixture? Sand and water. A homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. The component present in large amount of solution is solvent. The process of mixing solvent and solute in solvent is called as dissolution, dissolve hona. Sea water is an example of solid in liquid solution. Air is an example of gas in gas solution. Alloys are generally solids in solid solution. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. Particles of suspension settle down on standing. Milk is an example of colloid. Colloidal particles are intermediate in size. Which mixture scatters light? Colloid. Which of the following can be separated by filtration? Sand and water. Camphor leaves no residue. पूरा जल जाता है. कैम्फर इज कपूर जो पूरा जल जाता है, जलाने के बाद कुछ नहीं बचता. ठीक है. शुगर एंड ग्लूकोज आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स. Blue vitriol is example of inorganic compound. Chlorophyll contains which metal? Magnesium. Hemoglobin contains iron. A chemical bond is formed due to joining of atoms. Molecular formula represents what number of atoms in a molecule? Important questions. ये भी important है. नेक्स्ट द मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला ऑफ मीथेन इज, यहाँ पे मैं जो ब्लैक बॉक्स है वहाँ पे नंबरिंग कर देती हूँ पहले 2 and 4. So the molecular formula for methane is CH4. Molecular formula for magnesium chloride is MgCl2b. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Valency of oxygen is 2. Molecular formula for carbon dioxide is CO2. Which of the following is a compound? Water. Which of the following is a mixture? Bronze. The formula of hydrogen chloride is, so यहाँ पे again answer is HCl. सो अगर आज की वीडियो पसंद आई हो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब एंड सब्सक्रिप्शन कर दीजिए बेल आइकन पे प्रेस करके, ताकि जो मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ हो आपको तुरंत पता चले कि वीडियोज़ आ गई है. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.